So the new JFF president, Mr. Michael Ricketts, is currently in Saudi Arabia with the Reggae Boys team, even before submitting his plan. But maybe this is his plan to travel extensively and expensively over sea and land. Remember now, he is the man. But you all realize though, the JFF presidency is still an unpaid position, meaning the president don't get a salary, which means he don't get pay. And yet, there was this rigorous and relentless campaigning for such a high-pressure job without pay. Which is why all expense-paid trips with the national team to places like Saudi Arabia is a must for the new JFF president. A trip like this is worth more than money can buy. What you all expect Mr. Ricketts to do anyway? Sit down up on the JFF every day and bust him brain over the $300 million+ debt? Which leads to the maverick observation that a list of 20 pairs to make the Saudi Arabia trip was released to the media. But strangely enough, no list or even a mention of the official delegation. We understand the team left Jamaica by night. We only hear say the president gone. We hear say the outgoing general secretary gone. We hear say a separate head of delegation gone and a deputy head of delegation gone. And Mr. President is there differently as the president. We don't know who or who has gone, who voted in the recent election, and who were looking for foreign trips. And we have said, why no delegation list? What are hiding? Who are hiding? This is what people were talking about, Mr. Ricketts. Transparency. We want to see that everything is above board. What is to put up in front of this piece of wood in front of me? And this is the call above board. And this is the call, not joke on the argument. Don't joke on the argument.